everybody, it's me Amin Mustafa. I'm glad to see you there. Today we'd like to talk about the layers, how it's work and how we can use our layers in a proper way. The more we make our layers improper, the more our work will be easy. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. Every document of Photoshop or your project starting with the background layers and also with the default unlock. But it means that if you want to bring some of the certain edits like moving, you cannot move that layers at all because they're giving you the options. The time you want to bring some of the edits on this layer, you have to convert that one as a normal layer. Let's just come back here, and then by just opening this log, your layers automatically convert as a normal layer. And now if you can see that I can move this layer everywhere that I want, I can move. And this part of the layers, if you can see, this is a transparency. It means this part is just nothing, there's nothing. And the time when you're bringing the edits, it always the edit will bring just exactly in the white the backgrounds that you already create that one. Okay, let's bring back the white one there. Okay, on your left side, the tools that you're seeing, these are the tools that you will use for your edits, for your project everywhere. And then the upper one is your properties. It means the properties, the time when you want to use these tools, are giving you the options of the decreasing, the declining, the size, everything they will give you there. And then you will just pick that one and then bring that one. Among all these layers, I want to have rectangular tools. Okay, and then if you press hold that one, they are giving you a bunch of the options. It means they have a different shape of the rectangulars, but for me I want to just use the square one. Okay, let's draw that one. The time when you want to draw that ones, the W mean is the weight and the H's mean the height. And then if you want to press, if you want to have very proper square, then you just press the H. As you can see, I have now very proper shape square. Okay, the time when you leave the hold, they are giving you the right side, they are giving you the options. It means this one is your color and this one is your stroke, but I don't need that stroke. And the upper side is the weight and the height, and same goes to the down part. Okay, let's come back to the layers. See, the layers, the rectangular layers, it just created automatically this upper side of my layers, like the normal layers. It means the first layer visible is the rectangular layers. The second one is the normal layer that I have. And then let's bring some of the text. Okay, I want to write the text layer. Okay, for here I'm just going back to the move tools, because the move tools, it means that my text is already complete. I can move it everywhere that I want. Okay, and then if I bring it here, now see, it means the first layer visible is your shape, the second layer is the text, and the third layer is the normal layer that we created. Okay, in order to bring our text to the upper, to the in front of shape, we will just bring this one up, and then see, very easy. See, the first layer is now text, the second one is the shape, and the third one is the normal layer that we created. Okay, there are some of the bunch of the options here. If you can see the layer part, yeah, I want to bring back the text layer to the second layer. Okay, that means that. And then I'm just clicking the layers. Okay, if you can see, here's now my layer is normal, and then these are all the blend options that they give me. And then if I want to make as a darker, they give me the options, even though my text layer is just the second layer and the first layer is the shape, but still it's visible. But the problem is the color of this text and this text is totally different, because we make this layer, this shape, as a dark one. Okay, even the time when you want to have just color of this to on your text and you don't want to have this shape, you should just come back to the normal, the blended options, and come back to the lighten. Okay, see, now I don't have any shape except of I have a just color on my text. And then you see, very simple, just you have to use all these layers and also options that they will give you. I want to have back my layer as a normal, just above that one, and then the text layer. Okay, on your right side of the normal, they are giving you also two other options. It means that how much percentage of your shape of your layer has to visible. But for me, I want to visible that shape 50%. I just click 50%. See, they give me, if I want to make it 30, I can make it 30. The more color, the more the shape visibility will decline. Okay, now these are all the things that I can bring the edits everywhere, and this is all the options. And then the more you have these layers in a proper way, the more you can make your project easily. And also these are the eyes, these are the options for visible. If I make that one, see, there is no other layer, and this is, you want to hide that one. These are the layers. Okay, these are the options and they're giving you. And then this is the down part of that one. Is the first one is the delete options, the second one is the new layer, the third one is the folder. When the time you have many layers and you want to, like supposed to be you have many shapes, like a bunch of the shapes, and you want to all collect in one, you just create the folder and then it will be finished. You just copy and paste it there. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you so much. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.